We're a group of innovators who are passionate about action sports. We use GoPro cameras to capture our own sports action. Until now, you needed somebody to follow you around and to film you, but the performance never looked as good as it actually felt. That's about to change. Action sports deserve the explosive power of mind-blowing action shots, aerial perspective, and super smooth flow motion.
We're ready to show the world what it's all about. Check this!
AirDog is a quadcopter that automatically follows the rider and captures the action using a GoPro camera. AirDog flies and follows, making sure that your every move is perfectly captured.
AirDog follows the rider by tracking the air leash. Air leash sends control commands and tracking signal to the drone.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground-level perspective? The AirDog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. AirDog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the AirDog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. AirDog is now in action. You can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go. More advanced features like track or lap recording or specific flight modes can be configured or uploaded from a smartphone app. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, skating, surfing, snowboarding, or even filming my indie movie. AirDog is right there. It's like my personal cameraman. You don't have to worry about framing the shots or getting the right angle. AirDog has a gyro-stabilized gimbal that will do everything for you. It's never been this easy to look this good on camera.
In my eyes, aerial footage is really the key to give all the perspective to action sports. In the last few years, I've really been spending so much energy in trying all these kind of different tools, from paramotors to helicopters to drone. We thought we could conquer the world with them, but it was a lot more complicated. We really needed something light, packable, that was working everywhere all the time. Spoke a lot to other athletes and other filmmakers, and we quickly realized that such system didn't exist. And basically the only solution was to innovate.
Today we're pretty excited to launch our new drone technology that enables you, me and also our friends to capture our best rides in a really easy way.
Get ready, with Exo Plus you're going to be able to get the most amazing aerial footage anytime, anywhere.
Hey, what's up? It's Matt Robo. Just tried today's Exo Plus. Super easy to use. Awesome project. That's the future.
Exo Plus. No pilot, no cameraman, and no headache. To get to this point, we have been working very hard over the past months with great and various people, engineers, designers, and pro riders, to create a product which is fast enough and adapted for action sports. We are transforming how people use drones in a safe and autonomous way. So you don't have to think on how the shot is being captured or how to pilot the drone, just focus on your moves.
Today our multi-rotor will fly around 70 kilometers per hour, and it will also have an endurance of about 15 minutes. And forward flight is what we're looking for in the application of the Exo Plus. We're not so much concerned about simple hovering, because hovering is boring. We want action sports.
Our team met through the Drone User Group Network, the largest community organization in the country dedicated to teaching people how to build and fly their own flying robots.
Through our community, each of us had seen literally hundreds of different drone designs from all around the country, but we weren't satisfied with anything we saw in the market. We saw a lot of kits out there that were powerful and flexible, but took a long time to put together and tune. And there were off-the-shelf products that worked out of the box, but were limited in their functionality. And there wasn't anything out there that was both powerful and convenient to carry. So we decided to create something that combined the best of everything we had seen, but was more elegant and accessible. And that's how we came up with the Pocket Drone, the world's first heavy-lift microcopter. It's as powerful as an open-source kit, works out of the box with everything you need like an off-the-shelf product, and is easy to take with you wherever you go, without having to bring along an extra case or bag just for your drone. We've gone through numerous iterations to create the perfect drone product that can be used by everyone.
The Pocket Drone is designed to be your personal flying robot.
Hi, I'm JD, lead designer of the X Plus One.
And I'm Charles, and I've been working with JD on this project.
Ever since I was about 6 years old, I've had a passion for aviation. And I turned that passion into a career, and I became an aerospace engineer. I love the technology around drones, and I've been involved with it. And as I've done that, I've really seen a need that's not being addressed.
When JD first introduced the X Plus One to me, I was floored. Not only have I not ever seen anything like this on Kickstarter, I've never seen anything like this from just a third-party company. The X Plus One incorporates two key elements that any drone would love to have: vertical takeoff and landing, and fast, forward, efficient flight.
Charles is right. When I first had the idea, I couldn't believe that nobody else had done it before. It's really a simple idea. It's a quadcopter combined with a flying wing. The quadcopter gives you the ability for precision takeoff and landing and hover, and the flying wing gives you the capability for efficient forward flight. The difference between the X Plus One and all other quadcopters or multi-rotors that are out there is that we use aerodynamics in order to support the weight of the craft, thereby giving you greater efficiency.
So we've got a variety of different packages. We've got the first package, which is more of a DIY package. It incorporates the core frame, and you bring the electronics, the battery, and the motor. We've got a fully functional end-to-end product, and we've even got a plus version, which allows you to have an embedded gimbal as well as a GoPro that's included in the package. So whether you're a DIYer or you want an end-to-end solution, we've got a package for you.
We race, we battle, we do tricks. This is what we do every night. It's a great time, and it's never the same thing twice. The people who've made me, they're pretty awesome. Here's one of them.
Hey guys, what you just saw is what we have been working on for the past year. HEX is the world's first smartphone-controlled personalized nanocopter. HEX can also carry a webcam, and it can let you see the world from a different perspective. HEX is very easy to fly, and you can change the way it looks just by changing its shells. All shells are 3D printed and can be mounted directly on top of the circuit board.